like my home cooks and chefs, you know what month it is. This is barbecue month. This is June, so it's summertime. Everybody get them grills out, those smokers out, those offsets. So today we're gonna be, smoking some chicken, some chicken wings, and some chicken thighs in the Pit Boss vertical smoker. So we're gonna be getting out there smoking, So I'm gonna be doing a whole series. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Definitely check out those reviews on me, on the reviews on the Pit Boss vertical smokers. I have 2 of them. So I have 2 different ones and the pros and cons of both of them. I have the Brunswick and also have the Series 4, Series 2, of the number 4. Anyway, I know that was a tongue twister, but I'll show you the pictures of it. But anyway, today we're gonna be barbecuing some chicken wings and some chicken thighs. So we're gonna be seasoning them up and everything like that. But this is not about the recipe. It's about how well these smoke in the Pit Boss vertical smoker. So we're gonna be doing that. So like I said, keep up with me because I'll be going to be barbecuing throughout. Several months. The coming months. So what you're gonna be looking for is I'm gonna be doing some barbecue, all different types of barbecue from from different cultures and stuff like that. But right there, one thing we have in common is smoking barbecue. So I'm gonna show you how to do low and slow and hot and fast, and how there's several different ways of how to barbecue correctly. So barbecue is not complicated. With this, Pit Boss, anybody can do it. Even you can. Even if you don't know how to smoke. So I'm going to show you how this is being done and stuff like that. So let me get into seasoning this meat so we can get ready to do it so I can stop all this talking. So what we're going to do is I'm going to season up with some seasoning salt first. We're going to basic seasoning salt. Like I said, it's not going to make it complicated, but I'll be seasoning it up, season it evenly and stuff like that. We're going to, I like this kind. It's a little Fiesta seasoning. It works well. And then I'm going to do, that's all you need. You don't want to over salt your meat because you can very well over salt your meat. Now this one right here I got from Costco's, Sam's Club. Really good. It's called Kickin' Chicken. Got a little kick to it, a little spice, which we all need in our life. So, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit over it and stuff like that. And let me finish. I'm gonna get ready to finish up the seasoning. I'm gonna throw some lemon pepper. Always good to have some lemon on it. I actually marinated in before I actually season it with some cider vinegar. And I put some liquid smoke on there. Just a little. That's my thing. I'm still gonna get my smoke from my my pit. My Pit Boss. So. Don't worry. I know some of y'all do not like liquid smoke. It's okay. You don't have to put it on there. The Pit Boss is going to do everything for you. That's just something I do. But so what I'm going to do is sprinkle a little bit of this lemon pepper on there. And we're going to be throwing these things in the grill. So what I'll be doing is I'll see you guys outside when I finish seasoning these up. All right, so we're about to get ready to throw this on the grill. I'm going to open this up. Should have the table on the other side. All right, I'll put the chicken wings at the top. Since these are smaller pieces of meat, And one thing is, have something to hold because this thing, doesn't have a lock mechanism. It slides, so you don't want to lose your meat. Now with the thighs closer to the fire, they're thicker and they're gonna take longer to cook. What I'm gonna do is put them face down because the smoke is rising up. I'm gonna put them face down. gonna let it do its thing. So right now I have them on, what was it, 300 degrees. So we'll check back on and off and on. I spritz it with, you know, a little vinegar and everything like that. All right, you guys, and I'll be back with this when I get ready to spray it. All right, it's been about, about an hour, hour and a half. So I'm just adding a little butter. Butter always goes good. Just actually give it some color and stuff like that. All right, you guys. So it's looking good, smelling good. I think I need a little bit more to go. You know what I'm saying? And it should be done. See, we got the probe in, so right now the inner temperature is about 150. So give it about a good 20 minutes, should be all done. You guys, so I just finished taking the chicken off of the smoker. They came out excellent. I think it took about no more than about a good 2.5 hours on 300 degrees. So in the smoker, on the Pit Boss vertical smoker, you know what I'm saying, just leave it in there. If you notice, there's some great grill marks, you know what I'm saying, on here. It came out really good. The skin came real crispy. You know, I did actually come behind this, spray which you guys saw, you know, with some, you know what I'm saying, good little butter flavored, you know, oil. You know, I learned this from one of my friends, good friends, stuff like that. You know, if y'all new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, because I'll definitely be smoking more in the vertical smoker. Let's try it out, you guys. You know what I'm saying? It's looking good. Smoke is there. So let's see if it's fully, you know what I'm saying, got it. And guys, it looks pretty good. All right, let me take that bite. Pretty good. Got the little pink smoke ring. Winter chicken dinner, you guys. All right, so thanks for stopping by the Urban Culture Kitchen, and we'll be grilling in the future, guys. So don't forget to hang in there. See you next time.